Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In the last video we installed Laravel, and in this video I'm talking about why Laravel is called MVC Framework. MVC stands for Model, View and Controller. In the last part we played with the view part, when we played in the resources folder views, and we played with the welcome.blade.php. So this is the view part from the MVC. The first one is the model, which is stands for the connection between the database and the Laravel application. So the model is responsible to insert and get data from the database into the Laravel application. And the V stands for view, which we talked about. You can find the views in the resources and the views folder. And the C stands for controller, which can be found in app, HTTP and controllers. And this is gonna sort out all the logic behind our application. This create the connection between the view and the model, and all sorts of logic behind it. So let's see an example. To approach further on with our application, we will create an authentication scaffolding. So we will have a login and register page. So as you may all know, Laravel doesn't come with Bootstrap and Vue as a default preset framework anymore, so you need to install it. The authentication scaffolding needs to be installed as well through the new UI command. So all you need to do, just follow the instructions on the Laravel page. So we go to documentation, frontend scaffolding, and all we need to do is copy this line, which is composer require Laravel UI dev. So this is gonna be pull in the UI package into our application. So we open up a new command line. Let's make it bigger. Paste it, press enter. We need to wait a couple of seconds. It's gonna be installed into our application. And then okay, as you can see, it's all done. The Laravel UI package is pulled into our application, and in the next step we can choose to install only Bootstrap and Vue scaffolding, or install Bootstrap and Vue with the authentication scaffolding. So we will get the login and the registration page as well. So I will do this. Copy, go back to the terminal, paste here, press enter. Now, as you can see in this warning message, we need to run npm install or npm run dev to compile the fresh scaffolding. So we're gonna run npm install. Okay, so that's done. If we go back to our browser and we do a refresh, we see our login and register page now. We can't see any changes in our CSS yet because we need to run npm run watch. That's done. If we refresh it again, we can see our bootstrap is taking place in our application. Right, so we have now bootstrap and Vue.js installed in our application, and we will continue from here. We will continue in the next session with database and with the database connection between the database and our application.